Welcome to a calming visualization with Lori Hayes. Okay, I want you to think of something that feels overwhelming. Maybe it's your calendar. Maybe it's some of the people that you're going to be around today. Or maybe even the money that you'll be spending. I'm going to be making this visualization pretty generic so that you can apply it to whatever the situation is going on in your own life. Go ahead, close your eyes and settle in for just a moment. And I want you to take a few deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in for 4 seconds for 4 counts. So breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, and out, 2, 3, 4. Notice how you feel right now. Whether you feel relaxed, stressed, or anything else, for just a moment, let it be. Without judgment, without any expectation. Come back to your breath. Just notice and breathe. In through your nose. Hold, 2, 3, and out through your mouth. 3, 4. Now, take a moment to notice what comes to mind when you think of the next few weeks. How does your body respond to that thought? Is it tight? Maybe a little restless? Maybe you feel exhausted, and notice that and let it be. Just take a few deep breaths and allow it to move through you. What emotions come up for you? Maybe it's a mix of excitement, maybe a little bit of dread, some joy, and a little bit of overwhelm. Where do your thoughts go? Perhaps there's images of stress with family members or ruminating over planning, all of your presents that you're going to be giving this year. Once again, just let it be and breathe. Right in this moment, there's nothing to do, no one to be, and nowhere to go. In this moment, this is all there is. Now shift your attention to that stressful time that you're imagining. Maybe it is you at a family gathering, and you typically get frustrated with a few of the people there. Imagine yourself in that space being calm and peaceful. See yourself interacting with everyone there, but you have on armor, and no matter what anyone says to you, it doesn't steal your joy. It bounces right off of you, and you're able to just let it go. And that feels so good. Take a few deep breaths. You can easily see yourself letting it go. Now shift your attention to a day when you get up and you look at your calendar and you have no idea how you are going to get it all done. And just looking at your calendar, you start to feel overwhelmed. But then you remember to breathe. So you take a few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose. Hold. And exhale through your mouth. And then, as though you time traveled, you see yourself looking at yourself in the mirror at the end of the day. And as you look at yourself, you are amazed and so happy because you had more than enough time to get everything done. And you never felt overwhelmed even one time. You were calm and peaceful the entire day. Even when distractions popped up, you knew how to handle them quickly. And you feel so good. That was a breeze. You feel so proud, you give yourself a high five in the mirror. Feel the emotions of winning the day. Feel the peace and calm that is coming up. And take a few deep breaths. Trust in the vision you created and go to it often. And expect that your body and mind now know how to move through the day in a calm and peaceful way. You've got this.